In June of last year, BMW showed off the X1 sister car, which might be more stylish. The 2024 X2 crossover is now being built on the same base as the X1, and our cameras have just caught a test model driving around Munich, Germany. Our friends at Kalisa RU were able to make these exclusive and, to our eyes, pretty accurate pictures of the model because the test car had less camouflage than all the others. The front of the new crossover will look a lot like the front of the original X2, but it will have some traits that are unique to it. For example, the centerpiece of the kidney grille sticks out toward the bumper, which is an odd design. If these pictures are right, the hood would also look very different. It will have angled bars and big air holes on the sides. This new version of a known X1 theme should be a lot more powerful. It's harder to guess what will happen in the back. Taking inspiration from the current X4, Kalisa RU proposes a design with big C-shaped headlights that have sharp edges that stick out of the trunk lid. The back bumper looks like the one on the X1, but it has more aggressive aero parts, like a center diffuser, that make it stand out. But the most obvious difference from the new X1 will be the roofline, which will go from being flat to having a slight slope in the X2. The outsides of the two types will be very different, but the insides will be the same. Both cars are built on BMW's FAAR frame, which makes it possible to add 3- and 4-cylinder engines and even an all-electric model. The top combustion-powered cars are the M35i and M40i. Each has a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. All four wheels can get more than 300 horsepower from it.